Okay. Hi. Hold on, just give me 1 minute. Let me check if everything is. Mm, okay. Okay. Hi, Form 4 students. Okay. Selamat datang to our live class. Welcome to our live class. Okay. If you feel that the video is blurred or anything, okay, you change your settings. Okay, because today teacher setting is a little bit different. Okay, so I'm changing. I think for me it looks like it's blur, but I'm not sure how is it for y'all. So if it's blur, you just change, tukar the setting. Okay. Okay. Hi, Huing. How are you? Hi, Kirtana. I am good. I'm very good. Another 119 days for SPM. Yes, ada 119 hari lagi. Still, kalau lebih 90 hari, if it's more than 90 days, okay, you still can work really hard, but you must work non-stop for 90 days, 90 hari. Okay, you must work for 90 days and then you sure can see the results, because usually if you want to see something change in your life, you must do it continuously for 90 days, 90 hari. Barulah boleh tengok perubahan. Then you can see a change. Can be anything, not this one teacher is telling for form 5. Tapi like form 4, if you're form 4 student, like let's say you have been getting very low marks, okay, markah yang rendah, okay, so you want to go to A level, can. The next 90 days, 90 hari, you must do at maths every day, at least 2 hours. You must practice your skill. So it's like 90 days. Okay. So since Kirtana told got 119 hari, good amount of time, tapi kena buat banyak latihan. You have to put a lot of effort. Okay. A lot of effort. Okay. So don't worry. As long you are putting the right effort, as long you're doing everything correctly, you sure can achieve what you want. Okay, have a target. Okay, make sure ada target untuk like apa yang kita nak achieve. That one you must have. Cannot simply just do every day and then don't know what you're going to achieve, isn't it? Okay. So welcome to new students if you're watching. My name is Teacher Veronica, and today's lesson, hari ni punya subtopic, we're going to go to 7.3, okay, 7.3, which is areas of polygon. Luas untuk polygon. Okay, polygon, you all sudah belajar, you all already learned when you were form 1, form 2, form 3, correct or not? Okay, polygons means like got different it's a shape, okay, ada shape tapi ada banyak sisi, got a lot of edges. Like for example, got 5 sides means ada 5 side, that will be what is that? What polygon is got 5 side, 6 side, 7, 8, pentagon, like that, right? Hexagon, all those are called polygons. Okay. Tapi for this chapter, this part, right, the 7.3, kita akan belajar one formula sahaja, satu formula only. You're only going to learn one formula and you're going to use that formula for all the polygons. Okay, you're going to use that formula for all the polygons. Okay. So I think, wait, let me just share this to a group and then teacher will get started. Okay, so I hope you have the notes ready. Sudah ada nota. Okay, nota dah ada. And okay, sudah share. We can get started. Okay, the first thing that you all must know and you all must memorize. Not teacher don't want you all to memorize like hafal the X, like you see here the formula. Okay, just tengok yang pertama formula dekat sini. Okay, you all can see this, right? Okay, 1/2 can see 1/2. 2. And then got X, got Y, X, Y. Isn't it? Okay, teacher don't want you all memorize that. Tak payah hafal yang itu. Okay. Understand how we going to use the formula. Fahamkan cara nak guna the formula. Okay, if you faham the cara nak guna the formula, it will be easy for you. So in exam, you don't have to go and see the formula list. Okay, tak payah tengok list untuk formula. Okay. Okay, again one more time. This is for polygon. It can be any shape. Apa-apa bentuk pun boleh. Polygon. Doesn't matter. Okay, first let's see for triangle, segitiga. Okay, for triangle, you start with 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2. Okay, after that you must put that palang. Okay, the palang is called modulus, right? That thing is called modulus. Okay, why teacher we must put modulus? Okay, because, okay, you can see this one. Okay, because modulus area must always be positive, isn't it? Area cannot be negative, what? Correct or not? Luas selalunya mestilah positif. Mana boleh luas jadi negatif. So that's why we must put modulus. Okay, now after you put modulus, what you must do is, okay, you will be given all the points. Okay, students akan diberi semua titik untuk polygon. Okay, you just have to list down all the points. Okay, for example, teachers show using an example. Okay, let's say this is a segitiga. Okay, okay, dekat sini kita ada 6 kosong. Okay, example, this contoh ni This is A. B, let's say we have 8 and 9. Okay, C, we have negative 3 and 2. Okay, contoh lah. Okay, this is example. Now, first what you must do, bila nak cari luas, okay, bila nak cari the area, right, you start with 1 over 2. Okay, put the modulus sign. Make sure to put the modulus sign. Follow alphabetically. Okay, if they say cari the luas segitiga ABC, then we follow the alphabet. Maksudnya start dari huruf A, lepas tu pergi kepada B and then go to C. That means you don't mix it up. Okay, you start alphabetically. Okay, here the A, 6 and 0, isn't it? Okay, so teacher write here 6, bottom I write 0. Okay, following up you must write the X, down you must write the Y. Okay, after A, which letter? It's B, isn't it? Okay, so B is 8 and 9, 8 dan 9. So 8 teacher tulis atas, 9 teacher tulis bawah. Okay, and then one more letter C. Okay, C, negative 3 teacher tulis atas, 2 teacher tulis bawah. Up and down. Okay, after finish all the letters, selepas dah habis semua huruf, make sure to tulis balik. You must write back the first one. The first one ialah A kan? So you must write back the 6 and 0. Then only you can close. Baru boleh tutup modulus. Okay, why teacher I must do like that? Okay, because, okay, now you're going to see why. Okay, when you write like this ready, what happens after this is, okay, you must take the up number times sideway. Kena darab macam turun ke bawah. Okay, you darab silang lah, like darab going sideways like that. Okay, you darab all these. So 6 times 9, 54. Plus 8 times 2, 16. Plus negative 3 times 0, 0 So kita tambah dulu semua. You plus first everything. Okay, after that, what you must do is, okay, if you see the formula, for the behind one, kita kena tolak. We must minus. Okay, so for the next part, kita kena tolak what? Okay, take the down number, darab dengan yang atas. The down number you times with up. Down number you times up, like that. Okay, so it's going to be 0 times 8, 0, plus 9 times negative 3, negative 27 plus 2 times 6, 12. Okay, close. Okay, now, okay, we do the working out. Okay, teacher just put everything into the calculator. 15 plus 16 minus 0 minus 27 plus 12. Okay, teacher is getting 85 dekat dalam. 85. Okay, then take 1 over 2, darab with 85. 1 per 2, darab 85. Okay, you get 42.5 unit kuasa 2. You will get power of 2. Okay, unit kuasa 2. You must write the unit usually, okay? Unit power of 2. Okay. Now coming back to that question, teacher, why I must write back the A behind? Correct or not? Okay, just now here we write the A, then B, C, then kita kena tulis balik A kan? Okay, kenapa kena tulis balik? Okay, you all see if teacher tak tulis balik, if I did not write it back, okay, it will look like this. 60, 89, negative 3, 2, close. Okay, see. When you times up number, you must times sideways, isn't it? Okay, 8 times 2, isn't it? After that, the negative 3 won't have anybody to times already. So what happens is, that's why whenever you start with a coordinate, you must end it. You must end it with a coordinate. That's why. Can Okay, so, okay. If you understand the way to cara nak masukkan ke dalam formula, any type of polygon you can do. Apa jenis polygon pun kita boleh buat. Okay, now we try the real questions that teacher got give here. Okay, any polygon don't have to memorize. Understand the cara just now teacher do. So this one is called like shoelace method. Cara macam kita ikat tali kasut, right? So you like ikat this way, right? So that's how you understand the thing to darab. Okay. Okay, now we go to question. Okay, let's look at the first one here. Okay, dalam rajah di bawah, okay, this is a triangle PQR. Okay, find the area of triangle PQR. Okay, if you all were form 1 to form 3, triangle, kita belajar 1 per 2, darab tapak, darab tinggi, correct? Times base times height. But here, you don't have the base, you don't have the height. So, you must use the points only, miss. Kalau kita kena guna titik sahaja, miss, you must do shoelace formula, okay? So start with the letter P, follow the letter PQR, isn't it? Okay, write down the P first. Okay, 3 dengan 2, tulis dulu. Q, 10 dengan 5. R, 6 dengan 11. Okay, cannot close yet. Kena tulis balik P. You have to write back the P. 3 dengan 2. Okay, then only you close. Okay, now kita boleh buat darab. Okay, let's start. Okay, this one, all the up one must times with the bottom one like that. Okay, all times with the bottom one. Okay, so 3 times 5, 15. 10 times 11, 110. 6 times 2 ialah 12. Okay, darab semua kita tambah. Lepas tu kita kena tolak dengan the bottom one kena darab naik atas. Okay, 2 times 10, 5 times 6, 11 times 3. Everything must go up. Okay, so this one, 2 times 10 will be 20. Okay, 5 times 6 will be 30. 11 times 3, 33. Okay, so kita masukkan semua dalam calculator. Okay, let's check how much is this. 15 plus 110 plus 12, tolak with 20 plus 30 plus 33. Okay, teacher's getting 54. Dapat juga? So, take 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 2 times 54. So, you get 27 unit kuasa 2 unit square. 27 unit square. Okay. So the way cara kita nak tulis only it matters. Okay. Okay, let's try number 2 ah. Okay, number 2. Okay, you are given A, B, C. This one also triangle. Okay, but in SPM, of course, not everything is triangle lah. Sometimes you get different shapes. Okay, let's try the triangle one. Okay, what you do, you can also just sketch. Okay, sketch for yourself so that you can see the triangle. Okay, A, B, C. -2, 0. -5, -7, and 8 dengan -3. Okay. First step, okay, tulis dulu 1/2. Then terus letak modulus. Okay, kemudian susun semua koordinat. Okay, we start from A ya. Okay, -2, 0. B, -5, -7. C, 8, -3. Tapi you cannot close yet. Kena tulis balik A. -2, 0. Okay, now only we can do the calculation. Kita boleh buat calculation. Okay, start dengan 1/2. Okay, take all the up numbers times sideways. Darab silang ah. Okay, so we get sini 14 plus 15 plus 0. Okay, minus the bottom ones times sideways. Okay, here will be 0 plus -56. So teacher straight away put -56 plus 6 tambah 6. Kenapa teacher letak terus negatif kat sana? Sebab 7 darab 8 is -56, isn't it? Okay, so when I put a plus in front, dia kan akan jadi terus tolak kan? So that's why. Okay, so this is for students who maybe feel like teacher skip a step. Okay, that is why. Okay, then you use your calculator. And you cari the nilai. 14 plus 15 minus with 79. Okay, inside teacher is getting 79. Then we can bahagi 2. 39.5. This will be unit kuasa 2. Quite easy and straightforward, isn't it? Area of polygon. Okay. Okay. Let me give you all a minute to copy down. Okay. Next, number 3. Okay, you see this polygon? Polygon yang ni line sikit kan bentuk dia. Okay, got how many sides dekat sini? Ada 4 sides. Oh. Teacher, wait. Okay. Got question, can ask question. Okay, done? Okay. Okay, seterusnya nombor 3. Okay. Gambar aja menunjukkan 4 vertex. So, 4 vertex means the bucu, all the bucu. Okay, calculate the area of ABCD. Teacher, is it okay if I put 6 minus 56 plus 0? Any reason you want to start with 6? Taught us, because my school teacher taught us. Oh, okay. Because, yeah, can. You still get the same answer. Yeah, should be fine. Why your teacher taught from backwards, is it? Start from behind. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Because this one, the shoelace formula, it starts from like this. Yeah, there you can see lah. Okay, but I think it's fine. As long you get the right answer, should be fine. Sama saja what, you put it backwards also. Okay. Okay, now this one got 4 cc, right? Okay. A, B, C, D. Yes. Yeah, you use backwards. Okay. So A, B, C, D kita letak A dulu ah. Okay, -1 and 7. B is -5, -3. C is 0 and -4. D is 8 and 3. Okay, then cannot close yet. Letak balik koordinat A, -1 and 7. Always remember, don't forget this. You must put back. Most students, like after some time, you know what happens or not? They forget, they don't do practice. This chapter, they don't do the practice. Lepas tu, when towards near the exam, they think that they remember the formula, then they'll forget to put that one more coordinate. What happens? Easy questions or they lose marks. So we don't want like that. Okay? So always be calm when you answering. Okay, be calm, take a moment and realize what you are doing first. Okay, 1/2 dekat sini. Okay, kita kena darab silang first. We take the top one and times first. Okay. Okay, so we get 3 tambah 20 tambah 0 plus with 56. Okay, close, minus. Okay, we take this way. Cross multiply here. Okay, yang ni ialah -35 plus 0 plus -32. Jadi dia akan jadi tolak 32. Plus -3, jadi dia akan jadi tolak 3. Then only, okay, close bracket. Okay, let's see berapa kat sini. 3 plus 20 plus 56 tolak dengan 0 tolak 32 tolak 3. Okay, just getting 149. Okay, if you're getting the same answer, then you darab with 1/2, which you will get 74.5 unit square power 2. Very easy, right? Okay. Okay, now teacher want you all to try soalan 4. Question 4. Teacher want you all to try. Okay, give me the answer. Let me show this. Soalan 4 Here got A, B, C, D, E. Got 5. Don't forget, you must put back the A. Kena letak balik the A. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Try this soalan first. Okay, just check your arrangement. Cara kamu susun betul ke tak? Okay, this is how it should be. Okay, sudah dapat jawapan? You know this is a bit longer. 97.5 unit square. Okay, betul? That's the correct answer. 97.5 unit kuasa 2. Okay. If you did not get this, meaning somewhere sudah darab salah already. You times wrongly. So you have to double check. This question, if you get wrong, you just have to double check your careless mistake. Because nothing else can go mistake, right? Just the darab only can go as mistake. Okay. Okay, next one. Number 5. Soalan number 5 is a bit, how do I say? Not number 5, B, ya. This is 4A. Kita pergi kepada 4B. Okay, 4B, kita ada berapa? How many alphabets there? P, Q, R, S, T, U. Betul tak? P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. But, do you realize, here also actually got a coordinate. The center there, the O. So, the O is origin kan? Maka, itu pun we have to take. Because polygon, you must take all the vertex. Kena ambil semua vertex, bucu. Right? You have to take all the bucu. So, start from 6 coordinates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 7. Start from O. You have to start from O. So that part here tricky a bit. Because most students will miss out the O. Okay, you must start from O, 0, 0. Then only go to P because M, N, O, P. O come first, then only P, right? Okay, so O, P ialah -9, -1. Okay, -6, -3. R, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and then O one more time. Like that. Okay? Okay. Can you guys do the working? Okay, give teacher the answer. Reda. Okay. Have you got the answer? Siapa dah dapat jawapan? Berapa unit is this? How many unit? Unit kuasa 2. Okay? Correct? Betul? 75 unit square. Very good. Okay, teacher hope everyone else also tried. You all also tried this because Don't assume that this is very easy, then you see teacher do and then you don't do. Cannot like that. You kena buat juga bersama-sama, because your practice, sometimes when you are doing certain things you might miss. So that's why it's important that you do together. Okay? Okay. Now, very good. Okay, how about number 5? Number 5 is the one teacher say a bit different. Okay, soalan 5. Okay, if you see here, okay, we got K, L, M. Okay, ada 3 koordinat there. P is a constant. Okay, what is the meaning of constant? Constant means it's actually a number lah. Okay, dia sebenarnya satu nombor. Okay, if K, L, M is a straight line, K, L, M. Find the value of P. Cari nilai P. Okay, how? What can we do? Usually like this, you all remember previously we did the bomb method. Kita belajar the bomb method. Most students will try to go for bomb method. Teacher, I want to do the bomb method for this because got 3 coordinates here. But you can only do, kita hanya boleh buat bomb method kalau kita ada ratio, nisbah. Here we don't have any ratio like 2 to 3, we don't have. So you cannot use bomb method. Okay, what else can we use to solve? And since this is under area subject, so the most logical answer is kita kena guna luas lah. We have to use area. But how, teacher? I don't know the area. This is not a polygon. Okay. This one is actually a straight line, isn't it? Okay, teacher want to ask all of you, what is the area, okay, apakah luas untuk garis lurus for a straight line? Most students will think. But actually the answer is very easy. What is the area of a straight line? Garis lurus. Let's wait. Let's see who. No, don't Google. Okay? Jangan Google. Just logically try to think. Straight line, what could be the area? What could be the luas? Does it have a luas? Yes, it has actually. But because it's a straight line, it doesn't close, isn't it? Okay, if like this means you have a closed polygon. But this one, excuse me, this one, the luas is 0. So this is the part where students have to know this extra information here. So the luas is kosong, 0. So now what you can do? You can find the value of P. Boleh cari nilai P. So 1/2. Okay. Start with K. P -7. L 0.3. M -1, 5. Tulis balik K. P -7. Close sama dengan 0 equals to 0. Okay, what you can do first is you can bring the 1/2 go to the other side. Pindah dia pergi ke belakang. So 0 bahagi with 1/2, you get 0 again lah. Okay. This one we do our normal darab. Okay, our times. So we times, cross everything. Okay, here also we cross. Okay, here we will get 3P plus 0 plus 7 minus 0 plus -3, so -3 plus 5P. Okay, close. Okay, put this equal 0. 3P plus 7. Okay, teacher open up 3P plus 7 Sini tolak akan jadi tambah. Tolak dengan tambah, minus and plus will be minus 5p equals to 0. Okay, here we solve. Anything we can solve, we solve first. Negative 2p plus 10 equals 0. So, sekarang kita kena buka modulus. Kalau buka modulus, what will happen? Usually, when you open up the modulus, contohlah, let's say teacher put here 2p, behind got a number, number 4, for example. Okay, if you open the modulus, dekat belakang akan jadi positive, negative. Got dua sign, must have two signs. So, you kena selesaikan positive 4 atau, take note this one, negative 4. You must solve, you will get two answers, dua nilai. So, sini dapat positive 2, sini dapat negative 2, like that. This happens when you want to open the modulus. Kita nak buang, like you want to move the modulus. Okay. The same thing happens for this. When I open the modulus, okay, the 0 behind will be positive, negative, isn't it? But teacher wanna ask, 0 can have positive and negative value? Cannot. So, no need to write positive, negative for 0. Leave it only. Biarkan sahaja. Tak payah letak tambah tolak dekat kosong. Sebab kosong kan tak boleh jadi positif kosong, negatif kosong. Tak ada kan macam tu. Okay, 10 bawa pergi ke belakang. You bring back. So, you get negative 10. And then your P you get 5. So P ialah 5. Okay, I hope this one you all can understand, because this kind of question is a bit different, right? Especially if it's a straight line. Okay. Okay, we do one more last question. Question 6. Okay, lepas tu there are what is that? Soalan and all, right? The soalan teacher want you all to do on the spot, like a practice. Okay, let's do the next one. Soalan 6. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay. P, Q dan R adalah vertex bagi sebuah segitiga. Okay, the area of the triangle is 27 units square. Find the values of K. Find the values. See, the question also got plural form here. Sometimes soalan dia akan beri clue tau. Okay, you have to baca. Yang selalu baca dalam bahasa, make sure you read in English. Sebab dalam bahasa Inggeris, kalau ada S, values, maksudnya dia banyak, plural. Maksudnya kita cari nilai-nilai. Okay? Alright, so let's say I sketch the triangle. P is here. Okay, Q is here. And R is dekat atas ni. Negative 5, 3. Okay. This area, luas untuk semua ni ialah 27. Okay. Start dengan P dulu. Start with P. Negative 2, 0. Q. R. P one more time. Then only close. Okay, behind we put 27. 1/2, 1/2 bawa pergi ke belakang. So becomes divide. So 27 divide 1/2. Okay, dapat 54. I'm getting 54. So you bring the 1/2 move there first. Okay, here let's do the times. Okay, the top one times the bottom. Okay, negative 2K plus 18 plus 0. Okay, minus. Tolak dengan, now take the bottom and times up. This way. Okay, so it will be 0 plus negative 5k, so negative 5k plus negative 6, so minus 6. Okay, now we selesaikan, we solve the one inside the bracket here. Negative 2k plus 18, okay, minus akan jadi tambah 5k. Okay, negatif akan jadi tambah 6. Okay, tutup kurungan. Close the bracket ready. Okay, solve. Yang mana boleh solve, kita solve. Okay, negative 2k can plus with 5k, so I'll get 3k. 18 can plus with 6, so I get 24. Okay, done. Now you're going to open the modulus, kan? Kita nak buka modulus. So kalau nak buka modulus, what will happen to the number behind? Dia akan jadi positive, negative. So you got two answers. So you open ready, you write like this. Plus, minus. Okay, then you separate it. Okay, you separate it. So 3k plus 24 equals to 54. Lagi satu ialah 3k tambah 24 sama dengan negative 54. So you'll get dua nilai k. Okay, this one go there. Becomes 30. So k here is 10. Okay, first answer. This one will be negative 78. Negative 78 Okay, bahagi 3, I get negative 26. So, dua jawapan. 10 and negative 26. So, for now, like up to this contoh, teacher help to cover the different types of soalan, jenis-jenis soalan yang berlainan. Okay, if possible, I am going to finish up 7.4 also. Okay, persamaan locus, equation of a locus. Because that one also is a little bit only, so today we can habis bab 7. Okay, any questions to ask? So far clear? Okay, if so far tak ada soalan, no any questions, teacher is going to give the answers for these questions. Okay, you can see here all the questions, right? Okay, cikgu beri jawapan. So you try and then you see whether you are getting the correct answer also or not. Okay. First one, so tulis the jawapan Okay. 14 unit kuasa 2, 14 unit square. Okay, B 42.5 unit square, 42.5. Okay, number 2, 62 unit square. Okay, 62 unit kuasa 2. Okay, B 53 unit kuasa 2. Okay, number 3. Dan A ialah 46 unit power 2 and B ialah 98 units power of 2. Okay. Okay, can just one more time, I show back. Starting from here, number 1, 14 unit square. B, 42.5 unit square. 2A, 62 unit square. 2B, 53 unit square. Number 3A is 46, 3B is 98. Okay. So we actually completed 7.3. Okay, teacher want to go straight to 7.4. This is important, 7.4. Very important. Why? Because it can come out in paper 2. Equations of a locus. Loci. Locus, loci. Okay. Persamaan locus. Dalam bahasa is also locus lah. Okay. Okay, first of all, this subtopic, okay, you must understand, you are finding equation. Kita sedang cari persamaan. Therefore, you will have like x, y, all that you will have. Can be power 2, okay, can be no power, it depends. Okay, it depends on what teacher. Okay, locus, okay, locus means is a moving point. Okay, moving point maksudnya titik yang bergerak. Okay, so far for your form 4, okay, got 2 jenis only, 2 types. Now repeat. Okay, 2 types of locus that you learn. Okay, first one is a circle. Okay, circle means how? For example, okay, let's give a name. Okay, let's give Neha, for example. Okay, Neha, her house, okay, is here. Right? Neha's house is here. Okay, so what happens is in the evening, she wants to go for a walking. She wants to berjalan-jalan. Okay, pada waktu petang dia nak berjalan. Okay, ni rumah dia kan? Okay, dekat kawasan rumah dia ada satu laluan. There's a road lah for the person to walk. Okay, so this road, okay, teacher draw like a road. Okay, ni adalah jalan. This is a road. Okay, so she is walking around lah. Dia sedang berjalan-jalan. This is where she's walking. Okay, she is walking, isn't it? Can you see just now teacher say locus means is a point that is moving, right? Moving, bergerak. So siapa yang bergerak dekat sini? Who is moving? Neha, isn't it? So teacher draw here. Okay, Neha, girl she is walking. Okay, when she is walking, this one you can see is circle, right? Bulatan. Okay, the middle one here is her house, correct? Okay, teacher draw pink color because girl pink color house. Okay, that house will move or not? The house won't move kan? Rumah tu tak bergerak kan? Rumah tu tetap. Okay, so the tetap is your center. Okay, the pusat of your circle. So this one is your x and y. But I think in this case it's going to be a and b. We don't write x and y. We write a and b. Okay, kita tulis a dan b. There's a point there that is fixed. Ini tetap fixed. Cannot move. A house cannot simply move. Correct or not? So Neha is the one walking. She's walking and walking and walking. So from her house to here, the distance. Okay, the distance, jarak dia bergerak. Sini kita panggil sebagai radius. Correct or not? Even if let's say Neha comes here already. Contoh Neha datang kat sini. Okay, she walks from here to here, right? This is also the radius, correct or not? So wherever she walks in that circle, all that is radius, jari, betul tak? Okay, so her position will change, isn't it? Dia punya coordinate will change, right? According to where she's walking. So hers one, we are going to write x and y. Okay, her one, we will write x and y. So when you get a circle, okay, nampak? When you get a circle, bulatan, dia punya persamaan, equation dia akan jadi macam ni. This is the one teacher got right here for you all. This formula. Okay, this is the formula I'm going to show now. Okay, so for circle, You start with x, okay, the one that's moving, you have to take the moving one. X minus A kuasa 2. Okay, this is the formula. This is the formula. So don't worry, in SPM, they'll give you the formula. But you must know cara nak guna. Even though dalam SPM dia beri, kita kena tahu kan cara nak guna. Okay, take the moving one minus the fixed one. Ambil yang bergerak, tolak dengan yang fix, yang tetap. Okay, square plus. Ambil Y, tolak B kuasa 2 sama dengan R kuasa 2. R ialah jejari. The jejari, the distance. So this is how you get the formula for locus of a circle. Macam ni lah cara nak dapatkan persamaan locus bulatan. So I hope you understand the concept there. Something in the middle must be fixed, and then got somebody walking around, or a point is moving. Dia bergerak, bulatan. Okay. So this part clear, huh? Okay. Now you see there is another jenis, one more type of locus. This one, take note. Okay, this one actually teacher didn't write in the notes, so I will suggest use behind page, okay, or use your notebook. You write down this, Okay. The other one is, okay, teacher pergi ke sebelah lagi lah. Okay, this side. Okay. This one is known as straight line. Straight line locus. Garis lurus. Okay. Straight line. Garis lurus. So macam mana teacher garis lurus? Okay, now you have to imagine, okay, got two person. Okay, one here, got one house lah. Again, another house, still Neha's house, for example. Okay, here another house. Okay, go up a bit. Here another house. Okay, let's say here is Dhruv. Okay, got two house. Neha dengan Dhruv. Ada dua rumah. Okay, rumah tu ialah fix Dia takkan bergerak. Okay. Okay, tapi okay, kat tengah-tengah ni ada jalan. There is a road in the middle here. Okay, a road where people can walk lah. Okay, people can walk. Okay, the distance, jarak daripada rumah ke sini, okay? Daripada rumah Neha, from Neha's house to the road, okay? Sama dengan daripada rumah Dhruv kepada jalan raya. It's the same distance. Ni ialah distance, jarak. Distance, this one also same. Jarak dia sama, okay. If the jarak is sama, can you all see what shape is this or not? Not Ultraman. Okay, what shape is this? This one here is a 90 degree perpendicular. Nampak kan? Perpendicular. Serenjang. Can you see the serenjang here? 90 degree. Okay. So here, let's say what is that? Neha. Neha is walking here in the road. Okay. So Neha's distance here, she's the moving, right? Moving. So dia move dalam garis lurus. She's moving in a straight line. So when she's moving in a straight line, okay, the formula will be like this. So this one you all take down, the formula. Okay. We make it smaller a bit. Oh, by the way, Neha's the moving one. Ini ialah X dengan Y. Okay. So over here and here maybe A and B. And then here maybe a C and D, like that. Different coordinates, okay? For the fixed one. Okay. Okay, this is the formula. MPA sama dengan MPB. Okay, what is the N? What is the M? Teacher's going to show in a while. I write the full thing first. N punca kuasa. Okay, x minus, this one is this side, right? Okay, this is A, this is B, yeah? Okay, x minus A kuasa 2 plus y minus B kuasa 2. Okay, equals to x minus C kuasa 2. This is square root plus y minus D kuasa 2. Okay. Okay, the one teacher is writing here, the N and the M is actually, ini ialah nisbah, ratio. The N and M are ratio because, okay, just now here teacher told the distance is the same, isn't it? Sini dengan sini, I told you the jarak is the same, right? So the nisbah is 1 to 1. So here your N is 1, your M also 1, like that. Okay, but sometimes question will tell that the house for Neha's one is maybe a 2, for Dhruv house is 1. So here you have to change. This is 2, this is 1. So the nisbah, the ratio you follow according to the question. Okay, so this one you take note this formula. Okay, because don't worry, after this we're going to apply this formula into one of the question. Okay, but do you understand the concept first? Okay, ada dua jenis locus, two types of locus. Bulatan, circle. Another one is straight line. Locus means what? Locus means moving point. So got only two types that you learn. Moving in a circle, moving in a straight line. Okay, so you copy this first. Okay, tulis dulu. The P is actually this P, right? P is actually this one. The person who's walking. Okay, P is who is walking lah. Siapa yang berjalan. That is P. Okay, stop already. Okay. Make it bigger a bit. Can see, right? Okay. So the P is the one who's walking in the middle. But you don't, now teacher is giving you all like so many huruf kan, banyak huruf. Tapi you don't have to memorize this. Okay, tak payah hafal. You just understand how to apply on it. After this you see the way teacher will apply. Then you can understand. Okay. So now let's try soalan pertama, example 1. Okay, so the first one is circle, bulatan. Then the second one was straight line. Okay, so you only have two types of locus. Dua jenis. Okay, let's look at question 1. Okay, given point P, so the question will tell you, you must know whether it's circle or straight line. Okay, given point P moves with the distance from A at 5 units. P is moving from A, from one point only. So, circle or straight line? P is moving from one point. The point is satu point sahaja daripada A. Jadi dia ialah circle ke atau straight line? What could it be? It is a circle. How teacher know circle? Because they give satu point only one. If they give dua point, it's moving from 2 point. Then it will be this. Remember, she walking from 2 fixed point. From rumah A dan rumah B. Like that. But this one, she only walking from, not she lah, that P is only moving from 1 point. So it's a circle. Okay, so teacher draw. Okay, this one A in the middle here. So it's a circle So this is the one teacher do dotted, yang garis putus-putus itu ialah P. So selalunya yang bergerak tu just write X and Y. The one moving one, you write X and Y. Okay? Okay, the center here 4, -1. 4, -1. Okay? Okay, 5 units, the distance. 5 units means what? Here to here, the radius jari dia ialah 5. Okay, now we just need to find the equation. Okay, equation formula is up there, the one highlighted one. Okay, so take the x. Always remember the moving one, you must start with the moving one. Moving is x. Okay, tolak dengan, selalu kena start dengan yang bergerak Bergerak ialah x. Tolak dengan yang tetap. Yang tetap tu ialah 4. So -4 square plus, okay, now the y, take the moving one. Moving is y only. Tolak with -1. Okay, close square. Equals to r. R ialah 5 kan? Jari 5 square. Okay, now what you must do? You must kembangkan. Just expand like normal. So teacher is going to use a shortcut. This shortcut teacher taught you all last time already. Okay, teacher dah buat dalam bab 2 I think. Okay, teacher already taught this in chapter 2. So x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equals 25. Okay. Sekarang dah dapat jawapan macam ni. Okay. Bring the 25 go in front. You cannot leave the thing behind. Dekat belakang mestilah jadi kosong. So kita bawa 25 ke depan. Okay. So x square plus y square. Okay. The power, big power all you put in front. Okay. Minus 8x plus 2y. Okay, you put all the x and the y. After that, you put the numbers 16 plus 1, tolak 25. So, dapat -8. How did you know 16 plus 1? That is 16 plus 1 minus 25. Because the 25 teacher bawa depan kan? So, kena tolak 25. Okay, so this answer that you get is the final answer. Inilah persamaan locus. Memang jawapan kita akan ada kuasa 2, kuasa 1. It will be like this. This is your locus. So you tak payah solve. No need to solve anything. Okay. Okay, so far any question? Okay. No question? Okay, very good. Okay, now we try the next. Okay, to the next question. Okay, can you all try number 2? Soalan number 2. This one you identify. Ini adalah circle or straight line. As you can see here, point P moves with the distance from 4 to at 8 units. So, moving daripada berapa point? Moving from 1 point only, isn't it? So, that one you write as the center. The P is moving, so it's a circle. Like that. P is moving. So, the one moving, yang bergerak, kita terus tulis X1. Sebab kan bergerak kita tak tahu, right? We don't know the point, so we just write X1. Here is 8 units. Okay, now what you'll do? Substitute into the formula. Okay. So one by one, start with the bergerak one. X minus 4 square plus y minus 2 square equals to 8 square. Okay, then you kembangkan. Okay, we expand. X square minus 8x plus 16 y square minus 4y. Okay, kita bawa 64 pergi ke depan, so dia akan jadi tolak. Okay, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y. 16 plus 4 minus 64. Minus 44 sama dengan kosong. So this is the final answer. See, if you know how to kembangkan the shortcut way, very fast you can do, isn't it? Okay, finish. So the circle type, we already see 2 questions. Okay, let's see the straight line type. Okay, jenis yang garis lurus. We go to next one. Soalan nombor 3, question 3. Okay, given K and L. Tengok, they already give you 2 points. So if they give you 2 points, that is the fixed point. Itu ialah point tetap. So straight away you must know this is a straight line, the perpendicular one. Okay. Alright. So what I do, I'm going to write K here. I'm going to write L here. K ialah 2 dengan kosong, L ialah 5 dengan -1. H is moving. So H is moving in the middle lah, somewhere in the middle. H. So the moving one will write XY. Kita tulis XY. Yang bergerak kita memang tulis XY. Okay, such that the ratio, tengok ada nisbah kan? Okay, so you draw a straight line. Okay, got nisbah here. KH is 3. Okay, I write down here. Okay, KH is 3. HL is 4. 3 and 4. So now you have to use the ratio formula just now. Okay, what was the formula? Okay, this one you take 3 KH equals to 4 HL. Okay, see take this one first, 3. Okay, then you combine the H, the K and the H. Okay, after that, you take equally to 4. Then you take H and L. Like that. You see, just now teacher didn't even, you don't have to even remember the formula. Just make sure you know which one is the starting and like that. Okay, so start with 3 first. Okay, square root, this one is square root. Okay, x, take the bergerak one, x minus 2 square plus y minus 0 square. Okay, equals to 4, put the square root, x minus 5 square plus y minus -1 is y plus 1 square. Okay. Faham? Teacher did first the KH. After that, teacher did with HL. That's all only. Okay, now we can expand the inside one. Oh, by the way, the square root we hapuskan. We eliminate the square root. So what you do? Both sides you square. Both sides you square it, so that the square root can be eliminated. So 3 square you will get 9. Okay, then this one put in bracket. X square. This one teacher straight away kembangkan. Okay, I'm going to straight away expand. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square. Okay, I already expanded already. Equals to, okay, 4 square you will get 16, isn't it? Okay, 16. Okay, Square root no more because square root punca kuasa dengan kuasa 2 dah boleh hapuskan. So no more already the punca kuasa. Okay, x minus 5 square. Teacher now doing this one. Okay, x square minus 10x plus 25 plus, now behind 1, y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, close. Okay, now you expand everything, bring the behind one go in front. Okay, kembangkan semua, bawa yang belakang tu pergi ke depan. Okay, do step by step, jangan rush. Jangan rush, don't rush, because this one, you must be very careful. One small mistake, then you won't get the marks. Okay, so just kembangkan one by one. Take your time. It's such so big number. Okay, I'm going to move everything in front. I'm back. Okay. Not plus, it's minus. Okay. Okay, which one can solve? You solve. I think I did a mistake here. Hold on. 9x square minus KH is, oh yes, hold on. Did you all realize one thing that teacher always will tell in the 7.1? Oh, this thing is wrong already, the one we did. Okay. Sorry, I also did not realize. Okay, did you all realize there's one? Okay, let's see who can see which one is actually wrong here. So we actually wrong already. If you're using, you use pen, You have to, you just cut off, okay? You just cut off. If you're using pencil, but by right, you all shouldn't be using pencil. Tak sepatutnya guna pencil kan? You should be using pen. Okay. No worries. In SPM, if wrong like this already, you just cut only. Just potong only. Okay, what went wrong actually? So the whole thing went wrong already. Kenapa? Because of the ratio. Because, you see, KH, okay, see this one teacher always will tell in the beginning part. KH ialah 3, HL ialah 4, isn't it? So how can I write the 3 beside the KH? I should not. Saya tak sepatutnya tulis 3 beside the KH. Correct or not? Just to remind you all back. I think the beginning, the starting of the lesson, there, this one. Remember this, teacher always say that if you get, like, if you write like in this form, this is a rainbow form, isn't it? So, the one I write there is wrong already. Okay, so it's good that I do this mistake now. So at least you all also saw, right, that how it's supposed to be written. Okay, that's why I had a distraction here, so that's why I also overlooked. Okay, what should we write is the 4 must go for the KH. The 3 must go to the HL. So it's supposed to be 3 KH. 4 KH, not 3. 4 KH equals to 3 HL. Dia sepatutnya bersilang, the nisbah. Tak boleh tulis 3 untuk KH. Okay, so because when you write this way, it's rainbow. Dia kan pelangi. So sudah salah lah. Just now our ratio is terbalik already. Okay, so now should be correct. Sekarang boleh mesti betul. Okay, so we quickly do So 4 square root, okay, x minus 2 square plus y minus 0 square sama dengan 3 x minus 5 square tambah y plus 1 square. Okay, kemudian kita kuasa 2 kan, we make it square. Why, teacher? Because I want to eliminate this sign up. Hapuskan the square root. So 4 square is 16. Just now the answers I got x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square sama dengan 3 square ialah 9. Okay, so it will be x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. Okay, close. Now you expand, kembangkan. Okay, dikembangkan this one Okay, this one by 1, 16x square, 64, 16, 9x square, 90x, 225, 9y square, 18y, 9. Okay, I'm going to move everything to the front. Plus 16 y square tolak 9 plus 90 minus 225 minus 9y square minus 18y minus 9. Okay, almost done already. 16 and 9. 16 and 9 is 7. 16 and 9 again, 7. Negative 64 plus 90. Negative 64 plus 90. I am getting 26. 26. Y only got negative 18y. So minus 18y. 64 minus 225 minus 9. 64 minus 25 minus 170 equals 0. So if you can simplify the equation, you simplify. Tapi kalau tak boleh, it's okay. You just biarkan only. This is the answer. So that's why this one need to be very calm. Okay, kena banyak bersabar bila jawab. Okay, we got 2 more questions, right? Okay, we finish that and then we'll finish the chapter. Okay, those who finish, you can try soalan 4. It's the same thing, 2 point tetap, and then in the middle got one garis like bergerak. The moving point is T. Okay, the moving point is T. Okay, teacher is going to erase a bit for question 4 here. Okay. Let me do the working down lah. Okay. Find the equation, cari persamaan untuk point T yang bergerak daripada 2 point tetap. Okay, U is here, 7, -3 dan V dekat sini. T is moving in the middle. Okay, T bergerak dekat tengah. So X, Y ya. Yang bergerak one is X and Y. Okay, now. Did they give us the ratio or not? Ada beri nisbah or not? Actually got. They say equal. So kalau equal, maksudnya sini 1, sini pun 1. 1, 1. So that means UT TV ya. 1 kepada 1 nisbah. 1 to 1. So therefore, if you cross multiply pun, sama only lah, okay, same only. UT equals to TV. So you don't have to worry about that ratio just now, like the one we did wrongly. That one, no worries here because it's 1 and 1. Okay, so now what you do? You write the UT. Okay, UT is X, take minus the U. Okay, X minus 7 square plus Y minus is plus 3 square. Okay, sama dengan, okay, yang ni X tolak negatif jadi tambah 1. Okay, plus Y minus 1 square. This one also, I don't want the square root. So, I square both side. Kita kuasa duakan both side. So that this one no more already. Square root no more already. Okay, then you can kembangkan. You just expand like normal. X square minus 14x. Okay, x square minus 14x plus 49 plus y square plus 6y tambah 9. Behind one also expand. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. Okay, you solve all the x, solve all the y. Okay, so here x square minus x square, no more already. Y square minus y square, no more already. Semua kena bawa pergi depan all bring to the front. Negative 14x minus 2, negative 16x, 6y tambah 2y, 8y. Okay, then the numbers only, right? 49 plus 9 minus 1 minus 1. 56. So will be plus 56. Okay. So you get, teacher can't hear me. What happened? My volume is still there. I mean, my microphone is still okay. You can't hear me, is it? How about the others? Still can't hear? Now can. Okay. Okay, so you get this answer, but if you can simplify, you simplify. Simplify means permudahkan. Kalau boleh memudahkan, okay, we bahagi all with 8. Okay, bahagi all with 8, you get negative 2x plus y plus 7. You get 0. So this is your final answer. Kalau boleh permudahkan. Okay, you permudahkan. Can Okay, we have one more last question. Soalan 5. To finish that, then we can end the chapter. I hope you all are also getting the same answer as teacher. Let me know if you get different answer. Okay, in SPM, like paper 1, this is how paper 1 question come out. Macam ni lah cara soalan kertas 1 keluar. They give you like application. Okay, the diagram shows position of 2 town. Ada 2 bandar, bandar P and Q. That one teacher write in bahasa. Okay, a road is built. Sebuah jalan dibina such that the distance from both the town, okay, jarak daripada jarak, okay, jalan raya dari kedua-dua bandar adalah sama. Find the equation. So if from both means it's a straight line, isn't it? Okay, so maybe the straight line is here, I think. Like this. This is the road lah. Because it's like from here to here, right? So it must be perpendicular kan? Selalunya dia kena serenjang. Okay, you draw like this first, a straight line. Then you draw the 90 degree. That's your moving lah, the moving one. Okay, the moving one, teacher give a different letter. I give A. So the moving one, I write X1. Yang bergerak, kita tulis X1. Okay. So, PA, isn't it? Okay, PA equals to AQ. PA, what is the ratio? They say equal. Dia sama, nisbah dia. So, this is 1 to 1, isn't it? So, you cross multiply. You darab silang. So, 1 PA equals to 1 AQ. So, here is nisbah first. You find the nisbah, the ratio first. Okay, so since it's 1, easy for us, we don't have to worry. You just straight away do the equation. So x minus negative 8, so plus 8, plus y minus 10 square. Okay, then square root. Okay, square root x minus 1 square plus y minus 4 square. Hello, Madam Afiq here. Hi, Afiq. How are you? Okay. So, sekarang kita boleh kembangkan. But before you kembangkan, kita kena hapuskan the punca kuasa first. We get rid. Eliminate the square root. So, you kuasa duakan kedua-dua belah. You square both sides. So, you will get now x square plus 16x plus 64 tambah y square tolak 20y plus 100. Okay, x square. And this is where teacher want you all to do slowly, calm, one by one. Okay, so that you don't miss out anything. Minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 8y tambah 16. Okay, so we selesaikan. Bring everything yang dekat belakang pergi ke depan, okay? Tapi if you can do like teacher, for example, I know already. Sini dengan sini tolak. So x square dah tak ada. No more already. Y square and y square also minus. So no more already. 16x, here will be plus 2x. So 18x. Why plus? Because we bring in front is plus what? Okay, negative 20 plus 8. So negative 12y. Okay, the numbers 64 tambah 100 tolak 1 tolak 16. You get tambah 147. Okay, because this one bring in front is minus, isn't it? This one also bring in front is tolak. Tolak 16, tolak 1. So you get this as your persamaan locus, the equation of the road. Okay, the road. Okay. Can faham, can understand how to use, because this one equation locus is important. Okay, it's like it can give you quite good amount of marks here. Do let me know whether can understand or still understanding, masih lagi faham. So congratulations, we have completed. Kita dah habis bab 7. Madam always live every day, what time and what time? Actually I will go live for form 4 setiap hari Selasa, every Tuesday 8:30, and setiap hari Khamis every Thursday 8:45 for form 5. So Selasa ialah untuk form 4, Khamis ialah untuk form 5. Jadi Afiq form 4 ke form 5? Afiq is now form 4 or form 5? So you can attend both classes. Okay? So the classes, all teachers just finishing up all the topics. Teachers doing all the topics. If you want to see like how to solve question, SPM question, you can follow teacher's TikTok. Same name, Veronica Pai. Okay, just pergi follow teacher punya TikTok. Teacher ada buat soalan-soalan trial SPM. The next upcoming one is soalan from Negeri Pahang. Okay, this one all was like from last year, 2021. Form 5. Okay, so Form 5 is next week dah trial kan? Next week is already trial. So do your AdMaths every day. Okay, buat AdMaths every day. Do trial paper. Okay, every day must do trial paper. Paper 1 kena buat. Then if you today you do paper 1, next week buat next week pula. The next day buat paper 2, do paper 2. Okay, you have to do AdMaths every day. Kalau your results are very low, you have faith. Teacher is telling you, because last time teacher pun student juga, right? I know people who from very low marks get A plus, A minus in SPM. Can, you still got time. Okay, masih ada masa lagi, you still can. But kena berusaha. You must usaha 2 kali ganda, 3 kali ganda. Setiap hari kena buat AdMaths baru boleh. Okay, every day do AdMaths, then you will be at the top lah, right? You will be at the top. No one can touch you. You might even come out in newspaper. That's what happened to teacher last time. Okay, I was a student who always get low marks. Then when SPM, I worked so hard, I got my straight A's, I came out in newspaper. So the same thing can happen to you also. You just must believe. Okay, you kena percaya yang you boleh. Okay, of course you pray, your parents' blessings, semua ada kan, tapi you kena percaya yang you boleh. Then only can. Okay, so we stop until here. Any question for the topic so far? I think everything clear. Okay, so I'll see you on Thursday, hari Khamis, untuk Form 5. I think the last part, taburan normal. Okay, the last part, a bit more on it. So have a good night, stay safe, all the best for trial students. See you all next week, Form 4. Okay. Form 5, I see you all on Thursday, hari Khamis. Okay, take care.